Hello, Golden family. It's been a minute. I just moved to Miami, Florida. Well, not just moved. It's been like a month. But moving, you do not realize how hard moving is until you move and then how much stuff you actually have. So it took me like 2 weeks to actually get settled in. And finally, I feel like I'm ramping up, during the holidays. Alhamdulillah, so everything's good. So I got up out of bed at like 7:15. So I slept in today. It's a Saturday. And I'm going to the gym. And I will see you there. People in Miami don't know how to drive, bro. And we finally reached the gym. Anatomy. Let's go. What's up, babies? We got the boy Andrew. We got Dom.
We already hit 315 on deadlifts. We already hit 315 on hip thrust.
Oh, you've been awake. Time to work out. Come on now. I'm not really gonna film that much of my workout just because I actually want to work out and record less. So yeah. This is my roommate. Nice to meet him.
Hi guys.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Oh no. Alright, speaking of roommate, he's actually been great help. Ibrahim's awesome. So I'm gonna show you what he helped me set up. This is awesome. This is hopefully to up the content. So I'm gonna show you a little behind the scenes. So here we have is the kitchen. So he installed these two panels and these two monitors. And we have the two cameras. I use a Sony a6600. And then there's this. So you just click the button and it lights up the whole room. Okay, here is my post-workout. Pita, eggs, a cucumber I already went to town on, and blueberries. Oh, you thought it was gonna be this like big old feast. You're a food content creator. You gotta be all this glorious, perfect, manicured meal. This is how I live. I try to get by with good quality food. We could keep the perfection for the Instagram feeds. This is real life. It doesn't gotta be pretty. It's a blessing that I have food on the table. Alhamdulillah. And as always, na bismillah. Alrighty, it's 11:25 and I'm about to start recording. I just prepped a bunch of my ingredients. Today I'm just making some tomato soup. Because it's the fall time and a lot of people are like suggested on Instagram to make soup. And I just wanted to do the meme where it says, good soup. Good soup. Anyway, so here's the prep station. Let me turn this like this. You get some tomatoes. Well, we washed our veg. And then this is what I'm, bro, get out of my vlog, bro. And then this is what I'm looking at. Here's the camera. And here's that. It's kind of cool. This was the old studio was here, but this is a little pantry area. A bunch of boxes. Ninja hooked it up with the juicer and the food processor. Anyways, the sun is out today, finally. So it's nice and beautiful today. Michigan, how does it feel? What is it, 30 over there? Don't mind me. 75 degrees right now. Light breeze. A kiss of sun. No, I'm just joking. I'm joking, but I'm not joking. Alrighty, so I just finished making the tomato soup. It is 125, and I'm just still cleaning up. A lot of times, who does the dishes? Obviously me. Like, Abe is helping, or Abe. I like to call him Abe. But Abe is helping me clean my camera lens because he's the homie. And we just out here. Alright, me and Ibrahim are going to the Miami Design District right now to have lunch because the tomato soup wasn't very filling at all. And your boy needs to eat. And I gotta eat a lot of protein. Both of us do. So we're going to the Design District, and Ibrahim is an avid shopper, and I'm not an avid shopper. So let's just say the Design District is for the elite class, not for your boy. Okay, I'm all Myers and Target.
We're gonna drip you down.
Nah, he said we're gonna drip me down, but I don't know about all that. Are you recording? Are you recording? We out here, Design District, bro. I don't know how to vlog. Like seriously. I make food. I don't carry a tripod and a camera wherever I go. Alright, we're going to this market in the Design District. It's like the food court that has a bunch of like food options. Abe,
What's up?
don't you like vlogging?
Yeah.
But people are looking at me, bro. I don't want to record. And I gotta eat a lot of protein. Both of us do. Great. Keep in mind this was $12. And look, dude be looking busted though. And as always, now oh my god. But that is dangerous. Bro, this is so good.
I'm finishing this.
And I gotta eat a lot of protein. I don't know what's going on with my hair, but this was a typical day, you could say. It was a lot more relaxed because we went out to eat in mall and stuff. Bro, this is so good.
I'm finished.
Usually I'll eat like the food that I make, but just because I made soup today, it wasn't, gonna fill us up or whatever, but we usually eat. But yeah, no, I just wanted to kind of go over a day in Miami. We didn't do much activities outdoor. What do you want, bro? Nick is coming soon, so hopefully we're gonna mix a lot of content with Nick. Guga's in town, or like I'm in Guga's town, he's the homie. So me and Guga are probably gonna do something too. But yeah, no, I mean, I appreciate all of you. It's 8 p.m. Right now I'm about to sit for like an hour or an hour and a half and edit. I do all my editing still until Ayman takes over. And I gotta eat a lot of protein. Anyways, this is just a day vlog again. I hope y'all enjoyed. Abe, do you have anything to say? You have anything to say? Bro, he got a new haircut and he does not know how to behave now. Don't get this man anything. One haircut got you acting different. If you stuck around, I appreciate you as always. I'm very thankful for everybody. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And be back next time.